So can you see that? Just add something pretty at the top. So we just switched into video number 3. Alright, so here is silver. So let's just use a silver glitter at the top here. There we go. Then red again. And again, I'm using the to-do sticker to choose the color. Whatever this to-do sticker color is what the color I'm using. So now it would be green. Because that's what she gave you, you know. They're all sized the same. These are not different sizes like the other coordinating washi is. And then gold. Very, very pretty. It's just a little added something to kind of make this very, very pretty. And again, these also you can write in appointments or whatever, so I'm going to keep that in this back section, in the back of the planner, the little pouch. You know, the Erin Condren comes with some of these, but then it's nice to also kind of include some as well. So, okay, so that's kind of the finished thing. Now what we can do is these little pieces, and this is where if I know I have appointments or if I want to do some deco, I can do that. So I am first going to do the deco. So I absolutely love all of these. The question is, where do I want to use it? So when you see a piece this prominent like that piece, you want to put it on the opposite side. You don't want it like right under it or something that looks too matchy. So what I'm going to do is put it right over here. See how this is a big long white line? I'm just going to bust up that white line. So I'm going to put it right there. Okay, my husband just makes up little songs sometime. Alright, and then we have this little toboggan over here. So again, I wouldn't want to put it again down there, so I'm going to put it over here somewhere. And so we're going to take this little toboggan, or hat, pom-pom hat, whatever you want to call it. And I think I'm going to put it, maybe right here. I could put it down in there, but I just like that so much I really don't want to. So maybe I'll put it like that. Or is that too much in the way there? It's okay to overlap, y'all. Like, see how I'm overlapping that S? We know that's Sunday. It's okay. The candle, absolutely love the candle. But again, I wouldn't want to put it here because it's right there, so it needs to go over there somewhere. So let's just pull the little candle off. And maybe what I do is put it over here. I don't know, it kind of feels like it should be over here, doesn't it? How about we mess up that line right there? Is there a planner sticker? Because that's usually what goes there. No. So let's put it right there. Candle. Oh, there's another candle. Okay, we'll keep that in mind. We got this little squirrel guy. That's just so funny to me. Okay, and he has a little hat on. So maybe we put him, maybe we'll put him between Saturday and Sunday. That's kind of funny. Like right there. And then, I love the cardinal. It just reminds me of my mama, y'all. I don't know why that is. But I'm going to put it right here on this, whoops, right there. And it's literally going to cross over the day of the week and everything. I just want it there. And then we've got another candle. And I'm going to think about where that will go because we have this candle here, so I really don't want it. Maybe we put it right about here. Kind of bust up that area. But okay, and then these two little kind of cocoa mugs with little cinnamons on top. Maybe we put that towards the date night area. Or maybe friend night. Sometimes I have friend night on Thursdays. So maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do like that. And that. Because what we do is me and my life group gals from church are trying to be consistent about getting together on Thursday nights and just kind of sharing. So maybe that's what that'll be. And then I also have to go and to buy if we need to add that in. I'm going to add that over here just so I can get rid of this sheet. I'm going to add it over to this sheet. Same thing with this. in case I need it later in the week. And then also